Italy prepares for AW249 helicopter production phase. The Italian Army AW249 next-generation combat helicopter program is progressing on schedule, with 17 units already under contract out of the planned total of 48. The first deliveries are expected to begin in 2027. According to parliamentary reports, 4 prototypes are currently undergoing rigorous testing and evaluation. Among them, only one is classified as the primary prototype, while the remaining 3 are pre-production units. These aircraft, though officially owned by the Italian Army, will remain with Leonardo, the manufacturer, to facilitate further capability development, including the integration of advanced weapons systems and avionics. Weapons testing for the AW249 has been underway since November 2023, with trials focusing on its 20mm cannon and unguided rocket systems. These evaluations are crucial for ensuring the helicopter's effectiveness in combat operations, particularly in close air support and escort missions. Designed as a replacement for the aging A129 MAN-USTA, the AW249 features advanced avionics, improved survivability, and a more powerful drivetrain, making it a formidable addition to the Italian Army's fleet. The AW249 program aligns with Italy's broader efforts to modernize its rotary wing aviation fleet, ensuring operational superiority in evolving battlefield conditions. With its ability to operate in complex combat scenarios, including asymmetric warfare and high-intensity engagements, the new attack helicopter